A lot of clients think that they need 20% down to purchase a home. I actually had one client I remember who came to me and she said, I'm a year early, I'm still saving. I just want to make sure that I'm going down the right path and wanted to, kind of consult with you and just see what I should do moving forward. So I met with her and she thought that she had to save 20% in order to purchase a home. And so she had started that savings plan, which was amazing. However, once I showed her the options and showed her the numbers, she realized that it didn't make sense for her to wait until she had 20% down. There's so many programs out there that will allow you to put low down payment, maybe 3.5% of the purchase price. And we even have down payment assistance programs for first-time buyers that may allow little to nothing out of pocket if they qualify. So looking at these programs to find out first, and most important, what can I afford is the first question. So we back in and see, okay, based on what you can afford, what could you purchase a home for today with the funds that you do have available? And does it make sense to purchase today versus waiting until you have enough funds to purchase, depending on the market that we're in? Well, for her, it made sense for her to purchase because she already had enough funds for her to be able to purchase, and she could afford the payment based on the price point that she was looking at. Now, fast forward many years, she's super excited that she did. Why? She was able to gain enough equity that several years later, she was able to sell that home and purchase the home of her dreams. So she was super excited she started earlier because she gained more equity, more appreciation, and paid down her loan balance to have more equity that had put her in a better position to be able to purchase later. She actually would have wasted more money by waiting. If you're paying rent, and let's say you're paying $27.50 a month, that's $33,000 that you wasted that you paid in rent to potentially maybe save a little bit for down payment and not have to pay what's called mortgage insurance. A lot of people say, well, I want to wait until I have 20% because I want to be able to pay off or not have mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is an additional payment that's required when you put less than 20% down. But I was able to show her, here's where you're at right now with the funds that you have available versus if you put 20% down. And the payment wasn't very much difference. She can afford the payment without putting less than 20% down. So there's a ton of options available. You don't need to put 20% down. And in fact, a lot of times it'll actually cost you more by putting more money down in the future. I'd love to go over your specific options. So please reach out and let's see, is now a good time for you to buy, or should we create a home buying plan that makes sense for you?